Make website on WordPress. Write content for YouTube on how to make website on WordPress for free. Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a website on WordPress for free. WordPress is a popular content management system, CMS, that allows users to easily create and manage their own websites. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to create a website on WordPress without spending any money. Step 1. Choose a domain name and hosting. The first step in creating a website on WordPress is to choose a domain name and hosting. A domain name is the website's address, such as www.example.com. Hosting is the service that stores your website's files and makes them available to visitors. There are many free hosting options available, such as WordPress.com, which offers a free plan with a subdomain, such as example.wordpress.com. However, if you want a custom domain name, you'll need to purchase one from a domain registrar, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. Step 2. Install WordPress. Once you have a domain name and hosting, you can install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer a one-click installation option for WordPress, which makes the process very easy. If your hosting provider does not offer this option, you can also install WordPress manually by following the instructions on the WordPress website. Step 3. Choose a theme. A theme is a pre-designed template that controls the look and feel of your website. WordPress has thousands of free and paid themes to choose from, so you can easily find one that fits the style and functionality you need for your website. Step 4. Customize your website. Once you have a theme installed, you can customize your website by adding pages, posts, and other content. You can also add various features to your website, such as contact forms, photo galleries, and more, by using WordPress plugins. Many plugins are also free to use. Step 5. Launch your website. After you have customized your website, you can launch it by making it live to the public. You can do this by going to the settings and then reading in your WordPress dashboard, and then set the visibility of your website to public. Congratulations! You have now created a website on WordPress for free. With a little bit of time and effort, you can create a professional-looking website that can help you promote your business, share your ideas, or just express yourself online. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on creating a website on WordPress.